Alright guys, so what we're going to do today, we're going to change this trimmer head on this Stihl FS56RC. We're going to get rid of that. Guy lost part of it. Now how this actually works is it's got this plate and then it's got the disc that's in that plate, and what you're going to do is you're actually going to lock the disc down because it engages with the splines here. All you gotta do is take a screwdriver or something, stick down in here, and you'll see when it does, you'll figure it out when it does it. It locks the spline up so you can get the head on and off. And we're gonna replace it with this, the Speed Feed 400, which it comes with all necessary adapters to make this happen. But yeah, this is like the easiest swap in the world to make. So what you gotta do is you gotta go through all these adapters and see which one the thread fits from on this Stihl. So we're gonna try this one out. And that one don't thread on. So that's not it. We're gonna try this green one. The green one. Alright, and this is really simple to do. You just take your head, pop it open, take spool out. Ain't got to pull it all the way out, just enough to get to where that nut is in there. You're gonna come in from the back side on this dude. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it all the way out anyway. Well, get in there. Alright, since it wants to be a contrary pain in the butt, I'll take the screwdriver here and just give it a couple little whacks to get it loosened up, get it to drive out. So we're going to take that one, chuck it up there on the bench, we don't need it. And then we're going to take this green one and just set it right down in there, press. Just like that. And these are left-hand thread. And then put the screwdriver in there, lock it down. Now it will tighten itself up too. So then we take I'm gonna go ahead and put my line in here. And then put the tail end of that thing together. And there she is. Speed feed head put right on a Stihl FS56. So pretty easy to do, to make that swap there, and worth every bit of it. That's just my opinion. I know everybody's entitled to their own opinions, but that's my opinion. I'd swap every one of them out to these heads. Appreciate y'all watching.